Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll try to unbox this product, exactly this product, which is hold up 11-inch USB LED camera soft light panel, light with tripod stand and phone holder, halogen flash. Okay, this one and this tripod, right? Now I'll step by step I'll show you the unboxing and full details about this product. And if you are surprised, this is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the pocket camera, which is of 60,000 actually. And this I mounted to this tripod, so you can use it twice. Maybe this is my different requirement. Actually, we can mount this LED light. Okay, mount this LED light, and this has three lighting features. Okay, yeah. So we'll see one by one by the detailed unboxing. And just I did the unboxing of this cool BLDC fan. This is the remote, right? So if you want unboxing of this fan, just find it in the description. Let us start the unboxing of this hold up 11-inch USB soft camera panel with light and tripod. Yeah, now we'll see the detailed unboxing. And the package comes like this. I ordered this from the Flipkart for 1200 rupees. Now the price has been reduced. It is showing like 1150 really. So in the box there are three items actually, and this got decently 4 rating. Okay, and I'll keep the box aside. And this is the tripod, which is of 11-inch. Okay, there are adjustments here. See, you need to just rotate this, and you can just extend this like this with 3 legs. Okay, with 3 legs for stabilization, and you can use like this. And now you can tighten up the screw whenever you want, if you feel this is a stable. So let us place it over here. Okay, you can just tighten the screw here, right? Okay, now here also you can just loose it, and you can extend this rod, and whenever you're okay, you need to just tighten it, just clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. This also you can extend actually. Yeah, see here, now this is the complete look. You can extend like this. So I'll just minimizing this. Okay, this is the complete look of the tripod stand. Okay, fine. Now coming to the light. In this box the light is provided. There are few details. PL26 LED professional photography fill light, you can say. Okay, fill up the light in the studio, LCD display and accurate dimming. Okay, let us just open this, and there is one LED light here. And the supply, this is the only disadvantage or dissatisfaction what I felt with this product. The tripod is excellent, but with the light I'm not at all satisfied, because first of all, the source we need to give it as from the laptop only. Means the power source we need to connect through a USB cable. There is no other power source we can give. And the operation is this with the small remote attached. See, I can switch on, right? I can change the modes, 3 modes actually, 1 2 3. Okay, and now I'll connect this to the tripod. Yeah, see here, for the LED light, here we can screw up, and directly here we can mount this and rotate so that it gets fitted here perfectly. This is for the straight light up. Say for example, if the person is standing just in front of this, the light will focus on the face so that it will look good, means for better lighting. Or else if you want rotation like inclined positions, then you need to just use a small this rotating clip they given. See here, this we need to mount. Yeah, I'll be showing you this. See here, this you can mount it over here. Just rotate, right? See here, observe this dial is this dial will rotate almost 360, maybe at least 180 you can say. See here the smooth rotation, there is a ball inside given, right? So now I can mount here and I can screw up here, I can tighten here. Okay, for example, this is the position. If I want, now I can just screw this LED light here. Okay, yeah, see here, now I'll switch on this light once. Okay, right now if I want downwards, I can keep like this, I can shape up wherever I want. This would be especially useful if you're doing indoor videos. Okay, indoor selfie videos or reels or shorts. The person can stand opposite to here and this light will focus, and whenever you want a warm light you can change the mode here. Actually there are the intensity increasing is there, plus symbol and the minus symbol, which the intensity gets decreased. See here the intensity is being decreased, and you can increase the intensity, and you can change the mode with the middle button. This is the soft light, warm light, and another light. 3 variation. The soft light is good and perfect for the unboxing videos, and another is this phone holder. I will assemble this one also. Let me assemble this to the tripod stand now. Yes, this is the stand, right? I can just extend this here, I can just extend like this, right? And I can clip it over the stand here. Okay, see here, like this, this goes inside, and this will be somewhere like this. Okay, like this. Yeah, see here, I just made the clip stand here. Now I can use this, I can just fit it over here and lock it. Okay, I can just rotate this so that this will act as the mobile holder. See here, I just made this to fit over here. Now I can use this screw to tighten up, so this get locked here. Okay, fine, right? You can tighten up this so that your mobile stands still by this holder. Yeah, now this is the final setup. The light falls opposite to the standing person, and when you turn on this camera of your phone selfie camera will try to record the person who is in front of this light and the camera. And this is the setup. Okay, if you do have any other questions, just ask in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit a like. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And I'm mounting this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you want the output of this, means how it is recording and how is the video quality, I'll be dropping the video link in the description. Just check it.